Hi guys, my name is Kanoe and I'm 5 years old. We're gonna be making noodles in the rapid ramen cooker. The directions are written inside the bowl. We put the noodles in. Okay, now that's a lot. Make sure to put the seasoning packet out. Add water all the way up to the line. I think I got it to the line. There. Now we cook it in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Start. Oh, I was spinning away. Whoa. There's something ready. Whoa. Whoa. Gotcha. Do you mix it next? Add the seasoning. Stir. Is that for you? Is that for me too? Stir carefully so you don't get burned. Get a splash and get burned. That would be bad. There. You can transfer it in a bowl or just eat it in this bowl. Dump. That's so good. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe. Bye. Bye. Whoa.
So, Kanoe, I noticed that you have a kitty cat face on your face. How come?
Because I wanted to put makeup on my face so that I could look like a cat.
Because it's October?
Because it's October and this cat loves October.
Well, what's coming up this month?
Halloween. Halloween. And I'm going to be a bat for Halloween. Hello. Nearly. Is that funny?